Alright guys, guess what you don't know? I get a prank yesterday, Z. You don't know, yeah. Actually prank, but you don't know she young to the whole prank thing. She didn't even build no inch and anything there. So I just give you an important reminder guys. Like up the video before you watch it, please and thanks. You see me? Cannot say that too much time because you don't know. Very important, you see it. Watch your ads guys and spam out the comment section. You see me? Yeah guys, so you don't know. Watch that video and enjoy that video. You see me I say you don't know say TV said way. You see me? Oh. Me want one party. You see me? Want a party and a juice.
Let me get you my car.
Yeah man, so just take your time and do your thing. Yeah, go and wait, you see?
Alright.
Yeah.
Yes, so nice.
Hold on, I'm gonna look my phone.
My mind tell me say LFC. Why? Come like you know learn to lock back door. Where I come back for now? Where I come back for now?
The
left it again?
No, I'm just
How you mind the man?
man.
Yo, Ashley, come lock back the door. Come lock back the door. Yeah, why you keep on the left the door open each time?
Because so you can't just lock the door like how you
I 2 times I lock it and you come back the 3rd time and left it open. Why
Sorry
you?
about that. Listen.
What? Say walk past, you can't left the door. Sklad. Can't you come next say yo. Like 1,000,000 things upon our mind. Oh yeah, go again.
Just like I care about.
Oh, yeah,
because
again.
I like my earphone and my phone now.
Let's get back on them. Lock. Hey. Go lock the door now. Go lock the door.
What is it?
Lock the door while you keep on the lift the door.
So you
open.
can't just lock the door?
So why you give me extra work for?
You're too late.
Lock the door.
You lock the door.
Lock
Why
the
you
door.
can't lock
Lock
the
the
door?
door, Ashley. I don't like that style, brother.
Every time I come and
I
take
lock it
something
3
like
times,
that.
brother. And you come back 4
So that's
times.
why you behave so? Because I want door?
I don't be. So why you lock the door? And you go tell me say me lock it, brother. Come for me there.
I don't lock no door.
Don't come back in the car. If you don't lock the door, you don't come back in the car.
Can I get you off?
How you was about us? How you was about us? I come like you know the headpiece. You know the headpiece,
Oh, you
man.
love Aggie, sir.
You know the headpiece, man. You see me? But if you not remember one little car door for lock.
Because if you did a move off now, then would I remember so if you lucky, but you sit down here to me and say, I'm not feel lucky.
The door not lock, you know?
Come on, not lucky. Because you look like you have a problem.
Lock the door now, Ashley. door.
That them still not taking themselves, you know. You know what they get the next. No.
That's clear. Alright.
Yeah. Ask the people then.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
I never remember if I got the door the first time. And the way you behave, you know how you behave like
No,
that.
you never remember the first 2 times.
We know how you
But
behave,
then-
so until me don't come back
but
in
then
the car.
I
Why?
see-
You think me never hear you say?
You simply tell us you lock the door now. Now you start leave the door open spitefully. Like you try. Prove a
Never
thing.
spitefully leave the door.
The last time you spitefully leave it up.
Yes,
you said
because
come
you
lock it
behave
yourself.
away. Because you behave away. Why am I gonna lock it if you ask me nicely to close the door? I will close the door.
You behave weird. How I behave?
But me not even come in the car when they tell me say the door open. Me stick it, me can't say the door open. So that's why I say close it yourself because you have a problem.
So why?
close it yourself.
Alright, I may understand that. Zin? So why the door open now? Listen, this is the thing I understand with woman. It's like when you make mistake and when a man try to correct you, when they say, oh man, a disrespect and man a raise voice and one bag of thing. Me can't tell you if you like to do.
Talk to me nicely. No,
Me a
close
talk
the door.
nice, Ashley, you know me from long time.
No,
You say
not
you usually
the
watch me
first
channel.
time,
You
the
know so when me a
first-
when me a cuss, it a go obvious when me a cuss. Me not cuss.
The last time when I come back, you never talk. Talk nice.
Alright, so actually, me want to go where me I go. And honestly, if you make me have to come out of the car and go on this and go like that, so I slam it so.
So you have a problem when the door open, or you have a problem when the door is slammed. The door not closed now.
You leave your yard this man with memory loss problem and attitude problem.
And you will leave your yard with problem.
Next time you father me there, leave a problem in that your yard, you see me? Don't bring it coming in your car, you see it? Come in and deal with problem.
So you basically say my problem?
You basically give me a headache right now for no reason at all. You see me? So me I say if you have problem at your house with whoever, you leave it there, you don't forward on me and bring your issues there around me, brother. It's a peaceful man, you see it? I love the argument and the bad vibes and the bad energy.
No, I
you see me?
don't. No, I don't. No, I don't.
What do you mean you know
I don't want to
nothing?
hear anything.
Oh yeah, you start
You
showing
see
true colours.
me come here with problem, you gotta tell me say when me leave me out with problem, enough to take it out on you. See me come here
Because
with
you come
problem.
here and give me attitude to me, I tell you the right thing. Me say close the door peacefully, you say you want me to give you attitude. So you don't want a man talk to you.
No.
That's why I'm glad I'm in rush now. You see, I'm even so I'm saying, you see me. So I'm single, you know, you see it. Because them things I can't bother with.
Same.
Where you see I go now? Where
Go where you want
find
go.
a
Me no go where you want.
No, you say you don't get through, so I say, where you go?
Go where you want go.
That's good. You know what? I buy a juice, I'll take a 5.
Guys, I got his reaction. Guys, I got his reaction, so I'm gonna call him back now and let him know. He must hate me now, you know? Vinge, come here. Come here.
My problem.
I'll say it stay. It was just a prank.
Oh, me stay. Prank you, prank me. No, me not stay now, you want me stay. I know me no disrespect you and raise my voice and you see it. You see the venture where me is over the years, me change a lot. Me actually come out of your car because I say yo. You see me?
Okay, sir, I'm sorry. It
Nice
was a
one
prank.
still. Nice one.